Hello everyone. Now, for few seconds, you saw this logo before previous talk, right? Did you get a sign of this nostalgic feeling, Cartoon Network? Did you all get happy? Did you all notice or remember the learnings which we received from Cartoon Network? No? So, my topic is learning from the unreal. Now, when we think of Cartoon Network or cartoons in general, so let's start with Tom and Jerry. What we have all learned from Tom and Jerry? Just that a cat is running behind a rat. No. There is friendship hidden behind these two characters. So now, going forward for our beloved character and show, Doraemon. Now, Nobita and his gang always used to get in more trouble using Doraemon's gadget because the gadget wasn't supposed to get them out of the trouble. It was actually built to just make them fall in more trouble. Because the whole show is built on a theme that friendship is more important than gadgets. Even if we have 22nd century gadgets, but if we have cool friends with us, we are always saved. But this learning was always undiscovered because whenever I spoke to my friends that डोरेमोन बहुत कुछ सिखाता है ना? नहीं यार, it doesn't. But why do we always ignore which is spread out? Why do we not focus on something that's hidden behind those animation, hidden behind those fun and hilarious situations? We have to think out of the box, but not out of the box. These cartoons taught me that there is no box at all. We have to think out of this universe because the universe might be trapped in a glass jar on an alien's table. They have dared us to think, why not? Even if the world is still stuck on the why do we have to think different? We have to. So, you guys have to find that source of inspiration which makes you you. The cartoon is a major part of my life. It impacts in a very real way. I make my decisions because cartoon has always been a part of me. So I get inspired from cartoons. Learning is not only limited to cartoons. It can be from music, movies, web series, and the list can go on and on. So you have to use your imagination to explore what makes you, you. So I will end this talk with a cute little note. I think you all remember him and his famous dialogue. Thank you.